Hello, today we're going to show you how to install a SmokeNet HotSpot. Included in the kit are an Ethernet cable, your SmokeNet HotSpot, and a power cable. First thing we'll do is we'll take the power cable, we'll plug that into here, and we'll plug the other end into an available wall outlet. And we'll take our Ethernet cable, plug that into the hotspot, and then we'll plug this into anything that has internet access, that's an internet access point. Once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and click on the power button, and we are done. Now we're going to connect to the SmokeNet network. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to come up and ask us for a password. Go highlight this out of the text file that will be sent to you. Come back in here, paste it in. Go ahead and click connect. And there we are. We are now connected to SmokeNet.